Okay, let's look at the sixth question. In the revised GDP series post 2050, livestock data was explicitly included in the agricultural value sector's value addition. Right. Statement 2. Earlier, agricultural sector value addition was confined only to farm produce. Okay. So here, certain keywords are here. If you look at that, revision is mentioned, 2015 is mentioned, livestock is mentioned, explicitly is mentioned. Okay, explicitly is mentioned, right? Okay, in the agricultural sector value addition. So 2015 was a major year where the base year had actually got revised. 2004 to 2005 was the initial. In 2015 it was revised to 2011, 2012 for GDP. Okay, this is not the same base year for other indices like CPI, WPI. They have different indices which we discussed in another video. But this here is actually the base year revision happened to GDP, and all the GVA. Okay, value addition, everything will follow the same base year. Okay, so livestock data was explicitly included is the statement. So what happened before 2015, actually livestock was not actually the data, you couldn't actually decipher it separately from the agriculture GVA. Okay, agriculture GVA, the livestock data was there, but it's not, it was not, you could not actually analyze it separately. But after 2015, livestock got a separate accounting value, right? Their measurements were taken separately, right? So but previously it was actually confined to farm produce. Okay, farm produce. Okay, confined only to farm produce. So please keep that in mind. Agricultural gross value addition, for calculating that, farm produce was the main component before 2015. Livestock was added explicitly after 2015. So if you look at here, both statements are correct, right? So you can actually eliminate C and D. Now if you put like a because or something, because you can say that was explicitly included because earlier agriculture value addition was confined only to farm produce. Okay, it does make sense. Okay, because earlier only farm produce was there. Now livestock is also included, improving the data quality of agricultural GVA. It makes sense, right? It makes sense. So option A. Okay, option A is correct. Please go through the key as well if you have any more doubts. Okay. So there is also, which were the other additions, like for example, forestry, fishing, all these also got separate, separate data collection as well.